Hey everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello, hello. I am Alex, and today we have the most exciting episode we have made in a very long time.
That is right. Today we are talking about the FIFA World Cup 2026 and making our boldest predictions.
Yes, the World Cup 2026 is hosted across 3 amazing countries: the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Making it the very first World Cup in history to be hosted by 3 different countries at the same time.
In English, hosted means to be the country or place that organises and holds a major event or competition.
And this World Cup is also the biggest ever, with 48 teams competing instead of the usual 32.
In English, competing means actively participating and trying to win against other opponents in a contest.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Mia, I have been waiting for this episode for so long. I am so ready to make some big predictions.
Me too. But first, let us talk about the format of World Cup 2026 so everyone understands how it works.
Great idea. In English, format means the structure and arrangement of how a competition is organised and played.
In English, we can say, the 2026 World Cup will feature 48 teams divided into 12 groups of 4.
Groups of 4 means each group has 4 teams that play against each other to earn points and advance.
The top 2 teams from each group plus the 8 best third-place teams advance to the knockout rounds.
In English, knockout rounds means the stage where if you lose one game, you are immediately eliminated.
Eliminated means removed from the competition and no longer able to continue competing for the title.
In English, we can say, the expanded format gives smaller nations a much better chance to make a historic impact.
Expanded format means the competition has grown bigger and includes more teams than ever before.
And smaller nations means countries that are not traditionally considered football powerhouses globally.
In English, powerhouse means a team or country with exceptional strength, talent, and a history of winning.
Okay, Mia, let us get into the exciting part. Which teams do you think are the strongest contenders?
A contender means a team that has a very real and serious chance of winning the championship.
In English, we can say, several teams stand out as genuine title contenders heading into the 2026 World Cup.
Stand out means to be clearly more noticeable or impressive than everything else around them.
Okay, let us start with the defending champions, Argentina. What do you think about their chances, Mia?
Oh, Argentina is always going to be a massive contender, especially with their incredible team spirit.
In English, defending champions means the team that won the most recent edition of the tournament.
Argentina won the 2022 World Cup in Qatar in the most dramatic and emotional final ever played.
In English, dramatic means full of tension, excitement, and unexpected twists that keep everyone on the edge.
On the edge means so tense and exciting that you are leaning forward nervously waiting to see what happens.
Argentina's squad is incredibly talented, even beyond their legendary superstar Lionel Messi.
In English, squad means the complete group of players selected to represent a team in a tournament.
In English, legendary means so famous and so great that the person or team is talked about for generations.
By 2026, Messi will be 38 or 39 years old, so this could be his final World Cup.
In English, we can say, if Messi plays in 2026, it would be an emotionally charged and historic farewell tournament.
Emotionally charged means full of very strong and powerful feelings that affect everyone watching deeply.
And farewell tournament means a final competition before officially retiring from international football.
Argentina also has incredibly talented younger players like Julian Alvarez and Enzo Fernandez stepping up.
Stepping up means growing in importance and taking on greater responsibility and leadership within the team.
In English, we can say, Argentina has the perfect blend of experienced leadership and exciting youthful energy.
Blend means a combination of different elements that work together harmoniously and effectively as one.
Okay, what about France? Because they are always one of the most dangerous teams in any World Cup.
Oh, absolutely. France is one of the most talented and most feared squads in the entire world right now.
In English, we can say, France boasts one of the most talented and deep squads of any nation in world football.
Boasts means proudly has or possesses something impressive and worth being very proud of indeed.
And deep squad means having many highly skilled players across every position, not just a few stars.
France reached the final in 2022 and pushed Argentina all the way in one of the greatest finals ever.
Pushed all the way means challenged an opponent very strongly right to the very end of the contest.
Kylian Mbappe will be at the absolute peak of his powers in 2026. He will be 27 years old.
In English, at the peak of his powers means performing at the very highest level of his ability and career.
Mbappe is widely considered the most exciting and electrifying player in world football right now.
Electrifying means producing a feeling of sudden and intense excitement, like an electric shock of energy.
In English, we can say, with Mbappe leading the attack, France will be absolutely lethal in front of goal.
Lethal in front of goal means extremely dangerous and highly effective at scoring goals when it matters most.
France also has incredible depth in midfield and defence. They are strong in every single position.
Depth means having many quality players available, so injuries or suspensions do not weaken the team badly.
In English, suspensions means players who are banned from playing due to receiving too many yellow cards.
Okay, let us talk about Brazil, because no World Cup prediction is complete without talking about Brazil.
You are absolutely right, Mia. Brazil is the most successful World Cup nation in history with 5 titles.
In English, we can say, Brazil are the most decorated nation in World Cup history with 5 championship titles.
Decorated means having won the most honours and achievements, the most trophies and titles of anyone.
Brazil has been hungry and desperate to reclaim the World Cup trophy since their last win in 2002.
Hungry means having a very strong and burning desire to achieve something important and meaningful.
Reclaim means to take back something that was once yours but has been away from you for a long time.
Brazil has so much incredible talent. Vinicius Jr., Rodrigo and Endrick are all world-class players.
In English, world-class means among the very best performers at the highest level anywhere in the world.
Vinicius Jr. in particular is absolutely terrifying for any defender to face one-on-one.
Terrifying means so frightening and dangerous that opponents feel genuine fear when they face you directly.
In English, we can say, Brazil's attacking talent is arguably the most exciting and explosive in world football.
Arguably means this is a strong opinion that can be reasonably supported and defended with good evidence.
Explosive means incredibly powerful, fast and unpredictable, capable of changing a game in an instant.
But Brazil's biggest challenge is always converting their brilliant attacking play into actual tournament wins.
In English, converting means successfully turning opportunities and chances into actual positive results and goals.
Brazil has underperformed at recent World Cups despite having some of the best individual talent available.
Underperformed means achieved results below what was reasonably expected given the quality of their players.
In English, we can say, Brazil's biggest challenge is translating individual brilliance into collective team success.
Collective team success means achieving great results through teamwork rather than just individual excellence.
Now let us talk about England, because the English fans have been waiting so long for another title.
Oh yes, England won the World Cup only once, all the way back in 1966 on home soil in London.
In English, on home soil means playing in your own country in front of your own passionate home supporters.
England has reached the final of Euro 2024 and the semi-final of recent World Cups. Progress is real.
Progress is real means genuine and measurable improvement has been happening over a sustained period of time.
In English, we can say, England finally has the squad depth and tactical maturity to mount a serious title challenge.
Tactical maturity means having the experience and wisdom to make smart decisions under extreme pressure.
Jude Bellingham is absolutely sensational. He plays with such skill, energy, and incredible leadership.
Sensational means so impressively good that people are genuinely amazed and thrilled by what they are watching.
And Harry Kane is one of the most clinical and reliable goal scorers in the entire world right now.
Clinical means extremely precise and effective, never wasting chances and always finishing them powerfully.
In English, we can say, England have the firepower and the mentality to go all the way in 2026.
Firepower means the attacking ability and goal-scoring threat that a team brings to every single game.
Mentality means the psychological strength and winning mindset needed to succeed in big, high-pressure moments.
Now let us also mention some exciting dark horse teams that could genuinely surprise everyone in 2026.
Oh yes, a dark horse is a team that is not widely expected to win, but has a genuine chance to cause upsets.
An upset means when a less fancied or lower-ranked team beats a stronger and more highly rated opponent.
Germany is one team I would absolutely watch very carefully. They are rebuilding with incredible young talent.
In English, rebuilding means constructing a new and better team after a period of disappointing results.
Germany has won the World Cup 4 times. They know exactly what it takes to go all the way and win.
In English, we can say, Germany's football DNA means they always find a way to be competitive at World Cups.
Football DNA means the deeply embedded culture and tradition of excellence that defines a football nation.
Spain is another team I would never ever underestimate. They play the most beautiful possession football.
Underestimate means to rate someone or something as less capable or dangerous than they actually truly are.
Possession football means a playing style focused on controlling the ball for long periods with precise passing.
Spain has so many technically brilliant young players coming through. Pedri, Yamal, and Gavi are incredible.
In English, coming through means emerging and developing into top-level players from the youth academy system.
In English, we can say Spain's possession-based style makes them incredibly difficult to break down and beat.
Breakdown means to successfully overcome a strong defensive or tactical structure set up by the opposition.
And Portugal is always dangerous, especially if Cristiano Ronaldo decides to play his final World Cup.
In English, we can say, Portugal have the blend of experienced veterans and exciting emerging talent to go deep.
Go deep means to progress far into the tournament, reaching the quarterfinals, semi-finals, or beyond.
Okay, Alex, the moment everyone has been waiting for. What is your actual World Cup 2026 final prediction?
Okay, I have thought long and hard about this, and my predicted final is France versus Brazil.
Oh, wow. That would be an absolutely epic and unforgettable final. Who do you think wins it?
My head says France wins it, but my heart says Brazil finally breaks their 24-year drought.
In English, drought means a long and painful period of time without achieving something you desperately want.
A 24-year World Cup drought for Brazil is such a long and painful wait for their passionate fans.
In English, we can say, Brazil winning in 2026 would end one of football's most painful and prolonged droughts.
Prolonged means lasting for a much longer time than expected or considered normal or comfortable.
Okay, and my prediction is Argentina versus France in a rematch of the incredible 2022 final in Qatar.
Oh, a rematch. In English, rematch means playing the same two opponents against each other once again.
And I predict Argentina wins it, giving Messi the most perfect and emotional farewell in football history.
In English, farewell means a goodbye. And Messi winning one last World Cup would be the ultimate farewell.
Ultimate means the very best, greatest, and most perfect version of something that could possibly exist.
That prediction gives me chills. It would be one of the greatest sporting stories ever told.
In English, gives me chills means creates a strong feeling of excitement, emotion, and goosebumps on your skin.
Now let us learn some great English phrases for making World Cup predictions in conversation.
First phrase. You can say, in my opinion, the strongest team heading into the World Cup is blank.
Or try, I genuinely believe blank has what it takes to go all the way and lift the trophy in 2026.
You can also say, my dark horse pick for this tournament is blank because they have been so impressive lately.
Another great phrase is, I would not be surprised at all if blank causes a massive upset in the knockout rounds.
Or, the team I am most excited to watch in 2026 is blank because of their incredible attacking style of play.
And, if blank stays injury-free, I think they have a genuine chance of winning the whole tournament.
Injury-free means all the key players remain healthy and available to play throughout the entire tournament.
These phrases will make you sound so confident and natural when discussing football in any conversation.
Okay, everyone, let us do an exciting review of all the key teams and predictions from today.
Argentina, defending champions with incredible squad depth and the emotional Messi farewell factor.
France, arguably the most complete squad in the world, with the electrifying Mbappe at his absolute peak.
Brazil, the most decorated nation in World Cup history and desperate to end their long, painful drought.
England, finally showing the tactical maturity and squad depth to mount a genuine serious title challenge.
Germany, rebuilding beautifully with exciting young talent and that unshakable winning football DNA.
Spain, technically brilliant with incredible young talent and their beautiful possession-based playing style.
And Portugal, always dangerous and potentially playing in Cristiano Ronaldo's emotional final World Cup.
Alex predicts France versus Brazil, with Brazil ending their painful 24-year drought dramatically.
And Mia predicts Argentina versus France rematch, with Messi winning the most emotional farewell title ever.
In English, you can say, the 2026 World Cup promises to be the most spectacular and exciting tournament ever.
Spectacular means visually stunning, thrilling, and producing moments of pure brilliance and unforgettable drama.
Now it is your turn to make your bold World Cup 2026 prediction in the comments right now.
Right, my World Cup 2026 prediction is blank versus blank in the final, and blank wins because blank.
Use the vocabulary and phrases from today and make your prediction as confident and detailed as possible.
We genuinely cannot wait to read all your predictions. This is going to be so exciting and fun.
If this episode was exciting and helpful, please give it a massive thumbs up right now.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are truly incredible, and we mean every single word.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep predicting, and keep smiling every single beautiful day. You got this. See you next time on Juragan English Channel.